Hey, thanks for tuning in again. All right, once again it's Stacy, and I'm here. I want to introduce you to the one-to-one income tax app. This is something we've been spending a number of months on in development, pretty much since tax season ended last year. We knew that this was going to be an issue, and we wanted to find a way that would make everything easy for all of our clients, and I think we've succeeded. What is the one-to-one tax app? Well, it'll be something you'll be able to download through the Apple Store, through Google Play, and it'll be everything at your fingertips. So it's going to be one app that will allow you to provide us for information. So you're going to download it, you're going to go in, you're going to register for it. It's all two-factor authentication, keeping things nice and secure, and then you're going to take our Tax Max quiz. With the Tax Max quiz, we're going to ask you questions. Now, this is a dynamic quiz. This is going to make your life a lot better than, coming in and filling out those ugly forms I have you do every year, because the quiz is designed for you. You answer a question one way, it'll create other questions. If you answer it another way, you skip to the next section. You can answer as little as 5 or 6 questions and you're finished, or it could be a lot more questions. Now, we all hate to hear a lot more questions, but guess what? The more questions we answer, the more tax savings you're going to have, because this app has been designed to extract all of the tax credits that you're entitled to. So you're going to do that. Now, I got good news on that front too. It's going to be more or less a one-time deal. But let's take a look at what else the app is going to do. After you answer the Tax Max quiz, you're going to go into our income and expense module. You're going to be able to upload and scan all of your tax documents right from the app when you want. No need to go to the website and start downloading and finding forms and filling out registration form after registration form. It's all going to be done from the palm of your hand, right from the app. There's an OCR built into it that's going to take a look and verify that the numbers that we've done are correct. Now, the other two things that you're going to see out here is your video reviews will be done right on there. There's, last year we had, in order to keep things secure, we had to send you an email with a DocuSign with a link to go and check out your videos and all the rest of it. Well, this year we're going to dump it right inside of the app. You're going to watch it and you're going to have two choices once you're finished. Number one, you're going to either accept it because everything's good, or number two, you're going to be able to send a message. Now, you're also going to have a place to communicate back and forth, and we're going to be able to give you tax tips right on the app as far as some of the things that can happen. Now, once you hit accept, everything's good to go. Automatically, you're going to go into the next section to go and sign your tax documents. So it's not going to be waiting for an extra email. There's going to be no confusion. You're going to take a look at the video review, say, hey, you know what? They nailed it. Everything's perfect. You're going to hit accept. It's going to take you to the signing screen. You're going to sign right off your phone. Everything's going to be taken care of. At that point in time, right now, we will still end up sending you a separate invoice. Once the invoice is paid, guess what's going to happen? We're going to upload all of your tax documents, including your notices of assessment, right onto your app. So this is going to take away from that issue that we've had in the past where, we get probably about 100 phone calls a year. Can we get a copy of our notice of assessment? We've lost it. Can we get a copy of our tax returns? We've lost it. And you know what, guys? I hate to do it, but I've had to charge for it. It takes us about 45 minutes to go and get through that. Somebody's got to help pay for the staff and the extra costs and everything else that's involved. But in this situation, we're going to upload it and save you some money and save you some time. It's going to be right on the app at your fingertips for 7 years, which means you're never going to have to bug us again for another copy. You need it for some reason, you're going to have it right on your app. You're going to be able to take care of it. Now, just to kind of understand, this is what's going to happen. Within the next week to 2 weeks, we're going to let everybody know that the app is available. You can go onto the Google Play or the App Store, download it. We're going to be streamlining the annual registration. So this year there's going to be a lot, this is our first year, just like every time else you guys come in, we have this big form that you have to fill out. This year you're going to have to go through and answer the questions. And the answer the questions are just a tap, tap, tap. It's not writing, it's not squinting, it's not whatever else. Once that's done, next year, you're going to have almost nothing to do. We're already going to have your family information loaded into there. We're already going to have the information on your kids. You're going to take a look at a screen and it's going to say, okay, verify that all this hasn't changed. You're either going to edit it or you're going to go continue to the next screen. We're going to make sure that this is as easy as possible for you down the road. And once again, you're going to be able to hold up to 7 years of your tax data, copies of your T4s, copies of your T5s, copies of your medical expenses. plus your tax returns and your assessments all at your fingertips. So I'm really excited about this, in case you can't tell. I think you guys will be too. We've been beta testing it, alpha and beta testing it for the last couple of weeks. You know, the thing's slick. There's nothing like this in Canada anywhere, and you guys are going to be one of the first ones to get a hold of it. So we're very excited about it. I can't wait for you to try it, and thanks for tuning in. Make sure so we have a couple more segments here to go yet, just so you're aware. We want to take a look at what you can expect new for income tax this year. We've got a couple of neat things that we want to talk to you about, and then we have 3 videos that are tax tips that we're attaching to the newsletter to make sure that you're good to go. So thanks again for tuning in. Check out our next video, and I can't wait to see you soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye now.